Guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal. I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and I hope you all are doing well. And I'm very glad because I'm continuous on my challenge, whatever I have taken for myself. All you are well known, I have started a new challenge for myself where I'm going to start storytelling. And today is the 55 day of that particular challenge of that 100 days daily a video blog in spoken English, and I'm continuous on it. And today is the 55 day of that particular challenge, and today I'm also try to narrate a story which is able to give some add on your personality and knowledge base. And definitely this story is having a deep message for you all, and if you are going to be stay tuned till end, then you are able to know about these deep message which is able to change your life completely. So there was a city, and there was a young boy living, and he seems like completely full and enjoying his life. He is having a decent job, and he is having some friend who is able to care him and all. But inside him he is suffering a lot from multiple thoughts in his mind, and he is having decent all things whatever he needed, but still he is suffering a lot. Inside him he is having or carrying multiple thoughts about what is going to be tomorrow, and if someone do some wrong things with him, so he's going to be with these kind of things or incident for a long time. That's why he's suffering a lot, and he's not able to find peace. Even he's not able to sleep, or he's not able to get good amount of sleep. So one day he sat in the park, and there was his friend came whose name is William. William asked, "Hey Jack, are you able to be at the present moment with your mind? So are you experienced any seconds or moment where your mind is completely empty?" So then Jack said, "The empty mind is the place where devils or exist. So we need to be mindful and thoughtful," he said. But William said again, "If you ever feel like your mind is empty, you are not having any single thought in your mind, then you are able to enjoy the present moment. You are not going to be worried about the if anything happen in past. You are not going to carry them, and you are also no need to think about tomorrow or future, because there are so many people who are having so many things or decent things in his life, in their life, and but they are not able to enjoy that present moment. That's why they are suffering a lot. But he is not able to understand his friend's words. And one day when he was going to his office on the path, he is very frustrated, and he decided to go and take a tea. Then he walked alone on the busy streets, and at the end of that street corners, there was a tea stall, and there was a old man was there whose hair is white, and he is having glow, and he is having peaceful mind. He seems like very peaceful and calm, and he just sit there, and he just taking the beautiful view of nature and mountains. He is just focused towards the mountain, and he is enjoying the green beauties of mountains. So then Jack sat there beside of that old man, and he asked, "Hey uncle, good evening. What you are thinking in your mind?" So that old man smiled gently and said nothing. So then Jack said, "How it is possible? You are not able to think anything." So that old man said, "If you are not thinking anything, then you are able to enjoy the present moment. And I am a retired person, and I think like I need to go and take my tea, and need to enjoy the view of the nature and mountains, and I'm living in present moment. That's why I'm not thinking nothing. I'm just enjoying whatever I'm able to see or view." So then Jack came from there, and the first time in his life he ride his car, and he not play any song, and didn't he not talk on his phone with anyone, or he not touched his phone, and he keep with the real moment or current moment, and he enjoyed a lot. He see there was a fresh air coming from the windows of that car, and there was a children who is trying to ride bicycle, and he fell down, and he again try to ride the bike or try to learn the bike bicycle riding, and that boy smiled, and Jack also smiled with that boy, and one the first time in his life he's not having any thought in his mind, and he started enjoying his present moment. And when he came in his house, it is same apartment, same view, and same all things are there, but he inside from himself he seems like different, and he feel more calm and stable. So the conclusion of this story is, you no need to be worried about what is going to be future, and if anyone do something wrong with you in past, then you are not able to control it. So no need to take these kind of incident with you all time. Need to live present moment. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are able to learn so many vocabs and phrases and sentences throughout of this story. And if you are feeling like my content is able to expand your knowledge base and you are able to learn something, then please hit like and subscribe. Hit like, and also one more thing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with someone who need these kind of content. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.